Two things. I can't hear out of this ear. I have a sinus infection going on right now, so it might sound a little bit weird. And also, I have this Band-Aid on my head because let's just say that that printer back there, that Neptune 4 Max, when you're kind of working on it, if you slam your forehead into the sharp aluminum extrusion corner up top, you get left with a cut on your forehead, and then you have to look like a dum-dum with like me and have a Band-Aid on your head. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I just want to do a quick announcement about Scotto Academy. I've been kind of talking about this over the past few weeks. I've done some kind of prerequisite videos on soldering tools and stuff that you'd want to know going into it. But basically, it is a paid workshop series that I'm doing over on Discord. I'll link all the details down below if you really want to read more into it. There's basically 3 different sessions for it. But it's a workshop series where we're going to build together a 3x3 direct wired macro pad, pretty much beginner level, so you don't really need to have too much knowledge even going into this. So kind of if you are a beginner, kind of trying to hand wire stuff, it'd be a perfect opportunity to kind of jump in. Live interaction directly with me. There'll be Q&A sessions at the end of each actual session, so you can kind of ask questions there, or as we're doing it, we'll kind of build it together, and I'll make sure everyone's keeping along with it. Each session is going to be about 30 to 90 minutes, depending on it. We're going to kind of start off with like the prerequisites, how the keyboard works, so kind of basic stuff there. The second session will be basically building the macro pad, because it is a 3x3 macro pad. It's fairly simple, but we could pretty much cover that in about 60 to 90 minutes. And then the last one will actually touch on QMK code spaces, so using GitHub to kind of build your firmware, make some changes in there. And like I mentioned, each session will have a Q&A at the end, so you can kind of ask additional stuff if you have questions. Also, there are hardware kits available, so you can provide your own hardware if you want, or for a little bit extra, you can actually just buy a hardware kit. I'll ship that out to you, and you'll have everything you need to actually do it. But with that, the details are all linked down below. I'd really appreciate if people did sign up for this. I'm kind of using this first one to gauge future Scotto Academies, so like maybe want a PCB design, I want to branch out into matrix design, building keyboards, kind of more advanced courses, but I'm really just using this first one to kind of gauge, you know, kind of interest in it or what people would like to see going forward. But I'll link everything down below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. I cannot hear anything right now. My ears are completely plugged, so hopefully that's gone by this weekend, because that printer is actually running back there printing promotional keycaps for Maker Faire in Syracuse. So if you are in Syracuse, I'm actually going to be there this weekend. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.